Welcome back to Tech Scout, your hub for exploring advanced machinery in action. From precision metal cutting to high-speed textile automation, today's lineup showcases how industrial equipment transforms raw materials into finished products with engineering excellence. A CNC laser cutter uses concentrated light to slice sheet metal with micron precision, perfect for intricate parts in automotive and aerospace manufacturing. Here we see a compact excavator operating efficiently in confined spaces. Its hydraulic boom and attachments provide strong digging power for urban and landscaping projects. An automated shrink wrapper encases products in film and applies heat to create tamper-proof seals, essential for food, beverage, and retail packaging. Shown here is an industrial cutter shears thick paper stacks in a single stroke, delivering clean, uniform edges essential for printing and packaging production. A high-speed folding and packaging line uses synchronized rollers to crease and align sheets accurately, crucial in printing and packaging industries. This die-cutting press stamps shapes from cardboard or plastic with precision, enabling mass production of packaging, labels, and decorative products. Here we see a combined drilling and milling setup creates precise holes and slots in metal components, key for strong, dimensionally accurate parts. This handloom weaves warp and weft threads into patterned textiles, preserving traditional craftsmanship alongside modern textile production. On screen is a multi-needle chain stitch machine sews multiple seams at once, providing durable, uniform stitching for mass garment production. This machine trims and heat seals fabric edges simultaneously, preventing fraying and ensuring clean finishes in textile manufacturing. A robotic palletizer stacks cement bags into interlocked layers, boosting efficiency and reducing manual labor in heavy logistics. Here, a rotary labeling unit applies adhesive labels with optical accuracy, ensuring perfect placement at high production speeds. On screen is a rotary capping system that seals bottles using torque control, ensuring leak-proof packaging for beverage and pharmaceutical lines. Here, a surface grinder removes material in microns, creating flat, polished finishes critical for molds, dies, and precision tools. This laser cutter slices steel pipes with smooth edges and complex shapes, eliminating the need for mechanical finishing. Shown here is a heavy-duty chain that is heat-treated and assembled for high tensile strength, ensuring reliability in mining and lifting operations. From excavators to textile machines and precision lasers, these systems showcase the diversity of modern engineering. Each innovation boosts efficiency, safety, and creativity in industry. Thanks for watching Tech Scout. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more industrial technology insights.